Hi, this is Mark. This is English Conversation Practice.
Pattern, topic, vocabulary for learning English. My car is parked in the garage. My phone is ringing. My wallet contains all my important cards. My keys are gone. My parents live in a different city. My sister is a talented musician. My best friend and I have known each other since childhood. My colleague is giving a presentation tomorrow. My happiness knows no bounds today. My sadness overwhelms me. My excitement about the trip is growing every day. My anger got the best of me today. My hobby is painting landscapes. My interest in photography started at a young age. My talent lies in cooking delicious meals. My passion is music. My cheerfulness has always been my greatest asset. My determination helped me achieve my goals. My confidence grows with each new challenge. My patience is being challenged now. My favorite novel is 1984. My favorite movie of all time is The Shining. My favorite food is pizza with green peppers. My favorite color is deep blue. My favorite place to relax is on the beach. Now it's your turn. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe, and please ring that bell to get all my videos, and please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And I have a Patreon page, plus many other worksheets for your English needs. So
Support you here. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye. Thank you.